ps install. Let's go. Installing all the Python scheiße. This package will install Python 3 soon. If you wish to keep Python 2, mark Python 2 as manually installed with package. Okay. I can actually feel that I'm doing something forbidden. Like, it's just like... how to use pip? Does anybody remember? Is there any information? So maybe some sort of help would be... can I search for certain things? Okay, so here is the search. Right, so, and what I'm searching for package resources, right? So, wait, is there requirements? There should be some sort of a requirements thingy, shouldn't it? Nah, I don't think so. So if I find the file require, right, so ends with txt, there's nothing like that. So it's a very old school code base where this is not a thing. But anyway, so pip to install this thing, package resources. Okay. Could not find a version that satisfies the requirement package resources from versions none. That's very interesting. So what is that? What is that module then? Maybe the setup has the requirements, maybe. I don't really know how to use this kind of thing. So twisted. How do you use the setup.py script? Do you just run them, or what do they do actually usually? Oh, okay. So install requirements. Do you just run setup and it just like does the setup? Does anybody know? Like what is this? What is this script? Python. I'm not a Python developer, so I have no idea. I know the problem with Python is just it has too many different like compilation install mechanisms. Right, it compiles pyc. I see. I think. Okay, so Python setup.py scripts. Right, it has some like virtual environments, requirements.txt, and it keeps multiplying all of these mechanisms like over time. There's more and more and more different mechanisms, and how do people keep track of them? Does anybody know? It's just like, since I'm not a very active Python developer, I kind of just don't follow any of that, right? So from time to time, I just go back into the Python ecosystem and it just becomes even more bloated than when it was when I actually, left this ecosystem. Setup is something for metadata of package, but I have zero clue how it works. Oh, okay, so same, actually same. So writing setup scripts. Okay, so let's actually maybe read about. So, but it is a Python 3, and there is no information. Okay, so maybe we can find the 2.7 document. Okay, so the setup script is the center of all activity in building, distributing and installing modules using the dist-utils. like now we have dist-utils. So what the fuck is dist-utils? That's the funny shit about Python. It's just like it keeps going. They keep creating these bullshit systems. Like they can't fucking stop. It's so insane to me. Dist-utils is something that was replaced by setup. This is exactly what I'm fucking talking about. Like, why do they keep multiplying these bullshit things? Why? Bro. Furthermore, it's a scripting interpreted language. What kind of setup building things what kind of building are we talking about in a scripting dynamic language? People, wake up, please. People. Are you okay? Like, it's just... it is so insane. It's just like it has zero value. They will replace it with PyProject Tomo yourself. But please tell me you just made it up. Please tell me you just made up this file for shits and giggles and this is not a real thing. Please tell me, this is just a joke, right? So, wait, it is a real. Don't fucking tell like. Don't fucking tell me that this is a real thing. Oh, fuck off! I'm so. it's like, I don't know, it's just like, I can't take this ecosystem seriously. It's just like, I'm saying, like, you can't fucking take it seriously. Like, how can you take it seriously? This is not serious. This is just like kindergarten, right? So where are the adults? So adults left the rooms long time ago. Now we have a kindergarten. So I'm trapped in this ecosystem for a living. Help. I do fucking understand you. I do fucking understand you. I think Java ecosystem is kind of like that. But at least there is a justification for all of these build steps and stuff like that, because it's a statically typed compiled language, right? So at least there is some sort of justification for like building steps at least. But it's just like what kind of mental virus makes people think that doing all of that is a good idea? It's just like people, very fucking smart people, insanely fucking smart people sit down, look at the problem and thinking, yes, we need another building tool for that. Like it's just like, I don't understand. Very smart people, very fucking intelligent people do the dumbest shit I've ever seen. It's just like, stop, please. It's getting out of hands. Anyway, so what do we have in here? So the setup is the center of all activity in building, distributing, and installing modules using the dist utils. The main purpose of the setup script is